3.2a. Let C of x equal the cost of producing x items, and R of x equal the revenue from selling x items, and P of x equals the profit after selling x items. Recall, profit equals the revenue minus the cost. Okay, we're going to look at something called marginal cost and marginal revenue. If we slightly add an additional cost, by adding a couple more items. All right, I'll read that again. If we slightly add an additional cost by adding a couple more items in hopes to increase the revenue, okay, we call these marginal cost and marginal revenue. Marginal costs and marginal revenues. Okay, we will write this as such. The marginal profit equals the marginal revenue minus the marginal costs. Okay, let's continue. Now it happens to be that marginal cost equals the derivative of the cost function, and the marginal revenue equals the derivative of the revenue function. And this happens to be per item. This is cost per item. This is revenue per item. And hence, we can conclude the marginal of the profit function is just the derivative of the profit function per item, okay? Now, it would be the same thing as saying we can also conclude P prime of x equals R prime of x minus C prime of x. Okay, we're now going to do a word problem. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one out and write the word problem up, and we'll start with 3.2b.